Hold on, man. That nigga snoring. Listen, listen, listen.
Only at the next level.
That nigga partied way too hard, yo. Listen, listen, listen.